Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the essentials: phone with Android 11 or later, and a car that already accepts Android Auto over USB. Plug a short, high-quality cable and pair once to establish trust. This creates the base connection the wireless layer needs. Next, enable developer options on your phone and turn on wireless debugging when you plan to use an adapter or ADB method. This opens the phone to the one-time setup commands required to switch to wireless Android Auto. Once done, move to it. You now configure the adapter or phone for wireless projection. If using an adapter, connect it to the car USB and power it, then put it in pairing mode. On your phone, run ADB commands from a PC, a dbtcpip 5555, then a dbconnect followed by the adapter IP. This switches the phone to connect over Wi-Fi. Make sure you pair Bluetooth to the car to carry audio control and inputs. Also approve all permission prompts so Android Auto can access SMS, media, and location when prompted. You finish by selecting the car's Android Auto wireless source and confirming your phone connects automatically. This verifies the handshake and stored credentials. Then test audio, microphone, maps navigation, and media controls to ensure latency and microphone pickup are acceptable. If the connection drops or features fail, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot both phone and adapter, forget the car Wi-Fi on your phone, repair Bluetooth, and, if needed, rerun a DB Connect. This clears stale sessions and renews the secure wireless link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.